Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tech Talk. And if you guys remember, just a few days ago, I was just thanking all of you guys for subscribing to the channel because we were close to reaching 3,000 subscribers. And now I'm back doing the exact same thing that we just did a few days ago. Okay, we are getting close to 4,000 subscribers, and that is unbelievable, guys. And once again, thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you so much for supporting this type of content, to listen to me, listen to my opinions, to my advice on tech. And to all of the new subscribers here joining us for the first time on this channel, I want to say thank you for clicking on this video, and thank you really for giving the channel a chance. All right. This is Tech Talk. This is a channel where I share my personal opinions with you. I also share a lot of information, some advice on some of the latest techs. Okay, so now today I'm going to talk about the DJI Neo 2. The last time I made a video on this channel about DJI or drones in general was years ago. Okay, but if you guys follow what's going on, DJI just released the DJI Neo 2. Unfortunately, if you live in the US, I think same thing with Europe, or some other regions around the world, you probably have to wait a little bit longer before you can purchase this drone because it's not available in your country. DJI did not release this any other place besides China. Okay, but eventually they're gonna have to release it worldwide. And before they do, I want to share some opinion on the drone. Okay, so I have 5 main reasons why I think right now the DJI Neo 2 really stands out, and why you should even consider really an option to buy this drone. First off, it is the camera. DJI Neo 2 comes with a larger sensor. When we're talking about image sensor, larger one means you can get more light. It's good for low light. You get better image quality when you taking pictures, video. So your footage with the Neo 2 will look way cleaner. The second reason is the obstacle avoidance has improved in a big way. The Neo 1 was extremely limited when it comes to sensors, but with the Neo 2, you pretty much have 360 obstacle detection, front, back, side, and bottom. That means it is safer for you to fly the Neo 2 when you compare it to the Neo 1. Reason number 3, longer battery life, okay, which means longer flight. This time around you get a better flight experience with the Neo 2. Reason number 4, stability and wind resistance. The worst thing you want is your drone to just fly away because of wind speed. Okay, the Neo 2 uses better motors. With the first Neo, you know, the drone used to struggle just to stay hover, just to stay stable, and you used to have a lot of flyaways. Any little wind could easily make the drone just fly away from you, which was, you know, very bad with the Neo 1. Okay, you always have to worry about that. And with the Neo 2, all that is fixed. The drone is more stable, so the drone can follow you easier. The first one used to struggle just to follow someone. It used to struggle. You can also get better flight pattern. You know, you still got the same cinematic circle, rocket shot, all this stuff is still there. So yeah, the DJI Neo 2 might not be out there yet, but it is definitely one of the drones that you should consider if you're planning to upgrade, especially if you're coming from the Neo 1. So this is a no-brainer. It's not that much expensive compared to the first one. So what do you guys think? Will you consider the DJI Neo 2 once it's available in your region? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. Once again, thank you all so much for supporting the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Until next time, guys, stay safe and I'll catch you in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.